Hello, everybody out in YouTube land. Michael Kaminsky, Sublimation101.com, Branchburg, New Jersey. Today, showing you one of my favorite cool mugs. This is an 11-ounce textured pink mug. When I say textured, you can feel the texture on it. It is sublimatable, but it's not going to give you the high gloss finish as a sparkle mug. So if you want some mug with feel and some appeal, you're going to go with the textured. Let me show you a couple of examples that I've made. They're great for Pink October, Valentine's Day, and more. Notice how beautiful they take the color. And there's no different in making them than we make an ordinary 11-ounce mug, except this mug is not recommended for microwave, dishwasher safe. I would recommend hand washing to preserve it. Thanks, and it's time to make one. Okay guys, it's time to start creating our textured mug. We open up Creative Studio with our Sawgrass sublimation printer. What I like to do is simply go with what I'm working with. When I say that to you, design canvas. When I type in design canvas, I'm going to put the word mug in, and my mug paper that I use, which you see are highlighted here, are ready for me to go. I am using today the 4x9.5 mug paper. I'm going to put my grid box in for my center point, and I'm going to show you right now how to make a simple photo gift Valentine's Day mug combining some beautiful artwork from Creative Studio. I'm going to go to Designs, and I'm going to go to Valentine's Day. I love this little red truck because everybody's into the little red trucks, green trucks. They make them for all the holidays. I'm going to select all, and I'm going to position that to the right of my mug, as you see, and I am going to shrink it down a little, bringing it to an adequate size. Then I am going to unselect all. Now that I have my image in, I'm going to go to my gallery, and I'm going to pick my photo that they would want the customer inside of there for Valentine's Day. So I have a nice little family photo here, but notice it's a lot of top on the tree. So what I want to do is come over to the appearance box right over here, which is also your toolbox, and I'm going to click crop, and I want to crop that photo because I want the gentleman and his daughters and his family in it. Once that is cropped, ready to go, look at the difference it makes. It brought out the size of the photo, and I'm going to put that right into my designated position like so. And guess what? We are ready. We are crafting. We are producing a holiday mug instantly. And then hit print. Now you know when I like to print, I print the same way every time, YouTubers. I always choose metal, text print R, and advanced photo. Now, I recollect when the gentleman was here in this photo, who was a friend of mine and an end finisher like you and me, when I reproduced his photo with his flesh tone, he was astonished that I did not have to go in and do any color corrections. That's why I prefer that setting. So we're going to line that up, and then we're going to get over and turn on our mug press. Hey guys, all mug presses vary by temperatures. A mug like this in a standard 400 degrees type mug press would probably run about 3 minutes. When we're using the Sublimation 101 multifunction mug press, which gives you the adapters to do every style drinkable, we're going to push our mode button once and set it for 350, mode button twice for 380. The time is 60 seconds, and we're going to let that heat up. I'm going to fold my paper in half, and what I like to do, guys, is once I know it's nice and straight, I like to trim a little of the excess off for easier positioning, and by cutting it when it's folded, everything stays even. So now I'm going to grab 2 pieces of heat tape, probably about 1.5 to 2 inches long, place them vertically on my paper. Please do not put heat tape on the ink of the sublimation paper. Remember the name of it, heat tape. It's going to block the sublimation. I'm going to line up everything in my drinkable with my center point. Look at how easy. Using the mug paper, knowing my paper's straight. If the top of my mug is straight with the paper, the bottom is straight. I am ready to go and press. Okay guys, once our mug press is set at 350, we're simply going to insert our mug. It's telling us it's ready. We're going to make sure we have a medium pressure, and we are going to push the green button at the bottom right-hand corner, which is the start button. What happens with our press, unlike your traditional, your 400-degree mug press would be doing its countdown. The Sublimation 101 mug press runs on an idle temperature of 350, which will then bring it up to 380 and do our countdown for 60 seconds and buzz just like any mug press. All right, guys, our mug press beep. We're gonna open it up nice and easy. Remember, the handle is always gonna be cool to the touch. We take our paper off. What I like to do is dip it into the room temperature water to cool it down, to stop the sublimation process. But how can you cool down something that's already cool? Dip, and done. Now you'll notice after I dip it, I want to show you guys something. If you look closely, my color saturation actually darkened. So if we rewind the video a couple of seconds and go back, from then to now, you'll see the difference, how it darkened instantly. Guys, this is Michael Kaminsky, Sublimation101.com. Keep subscribed to our channel. Follow us, like us, love us some more. To all my YouTubers out there, thank you.